Have you ever wondered what website hosting actually is? Why do you need it? And how does it impact your site's speed, security, and success? If you're running a business, understanding hosting could save you time, money, and a whole lot of stress. Let me break it down for you, plain and simple. Hey, I'm McDonald with WPEdge Solutions. I help small business owners build and manage WordPress websites that are fast, secure, and built to grow. And today, we're breaking down something that confuses a lot of folks, website hosting. What it is, why it matters, and how to choose the right kind. If you've ever launched a website or thought about it, you've probably heard the term hosting thrown around. And maybe you went with whatever was cheapest or bundled with your domain. But here's the thing. Not all hosting is created equal. The wrong kind of hosting can make your site painfully slow, unreliable, or even open to hackers. And when your website is slow or goes offline, you're losing trust, traffic, and probably customers. Let's fix that. Website hosting is essentially the place where your website lives on the internet. When someone types your web address into a browser, hosting is what delivers your site to their screen. Think of it like this. Your domain name is your street address. Your website is the house. And hosting, that's the land your house is built on. If the land is unstable, slow, or properly maintained, your house isn't going to be of much use. Let's break down the different types of website hosting in plain English. Shared hosting. This is where most people start because it's cheap, but it's kind of like living in an apartment building with 200 other people. You're all sharing the same kitchen, bathroom, and electricity. If a site gets a traffic spike or a virus, everyone feels it. Here's the pros. Very affordable, beginner-friendly, but here's the cons. Slower speeds, limited resources, weaker security. Shared hosting is great for hobby blogs or small sites without much traffic. It's not ideal for serious business sites. VPS hosting, which stands for a virtual private server, this is like owning a condo. You still share the building, but you've got your own walls, your own utilities, and more control. It's faster, more secure, and gives you more customization. Here's the pros. Better performance, scalability, more secure than shared hosting. Cons. Costs more, requires some technical know-how, but this is great for growing businesses, e-commerce sites that need more power and flexibility. Next is managed WordPress hosting. This is my recommendation. This is like hiring a property manager who handles everything for you, so you can just focus on running your business. Your site is hosted on servers optimized just for WordPress. You get features like daily backups, virus scanning, speed optimization, one-click staging, automatic updates. The pros are it's fast, secure, hands-off, export support. Cons, does have a higher monthly cost, but it's worth it for the peace of mind. This is perfect for business owners who just want their site to work. Next is dedicated hosting. This is like buying an entire office building for yourself. You get an entire server all to yourself. It's the fastest, most secure option, but it's also the most expensive and complex. This is great for high-traffic enterprise sites or developers who need full control. For most small businesses, this is overkill. Okay, so how do you choose the right hosting for your business? Here's what to look for. Speed. A fast site equals happier visitors plus better Google rankings. Security. Look for virus protection, firewalls, and backups. Support. You want real humans who speak plain English. Maintenance. Some hosts like me handle plugin updates and monitoring. Scalability. As your business grows, your hosting should grow too. Let's be real. You've got a business to run. You shouldn't have to worry about server settings, plugin updates, or surprise downtime. That's why I offer fully managed WordPress hosting built for small business owners like you. I manage the technical side so you can focus on your customers. If you want hosting that's fast, secure, and stress-free, visit WPEdgesolutions.com and let's get your site running the way it should. And if this video helped you to understand what hosting is, don't forget to like this video and subscribe. I've got more WordPress tips and simple web advice coming your way. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.